Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Ubuntu Desktop 20.04. Boot the system with the bootable USB drive or DVD. If you want to try Ubuntu before installing, you can click on Try Ubuntu. This will provide the Ubuntu live session without making any changes to your machine. To install Ubuntu Desktop, select the language on the welcome screen and click on Install Ubuntu. Choose your preferred keyboard layout and click on Continue. Now select what apps you would like to install on your Ubuntu system from the two options available. If you require a full desktop, then select Normal Installation or select Minimal Installation to install minimal software. If your system is connected to the internet, then you can check the option Download the updates while installing Ubuntu. Click on Continue. Select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. This will format the entire hard disk drive and installs the Ubuntu desktop. To create partitions manually, select something else, then click on Continue. Here I am selecting Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. In this screen, it is showing us the list of changes that will be made to the disk. If your system is connected to the internet, the installer will choose the time zone automatically, or else select your location and click on Continue. Enter the name of the user who uses the system. Enter the computer name, enter the login name, enter the password for the user and confirm the password. If you want the system to log in automatically without entering the password, then select the option Login Automatically. If you select the option Require my password to log in, then the system will prompt the user to enter the password at the login screen. Click on Continue to start the installation process and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation process is complete, you will be prompted to restart the system. Click on Restart Now. Select username and enter the password that you provided during the installation process to log into the system. You can connect your online account to easily access your calendar, documents and photos. Click on Escape button to set up the account later. You can set up Canonical Live Patch service, which allows the users to apply the security updates that normally require restarting. Click on Setup Live Patch or click on Next to continue. Select Yes if you wish to share the details such as computer model, installed software, location, etc. Or else select No if you don't want to share the details and click on Next. If you like to allow applications to determine your geolocation, then click on the Privacy Slider button, then click on Next. Click on Done and you are good to use the system with Ubuntu Desktop 20.04. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.